Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to achieve this fluffy, semi-natural eyebrow tutorial. So I'm literally taking you guys through some of the steps I do to achieve this eyebrow look and how you guys can achieve this at home too. So if you would like to see how I got this, let me just, pose for you guys a little bit, give you a little photo shoot moment. Is it given? Yeah, if you guys want to know how to achieve this eyebrow look, just keep on watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that I adore.
In today's YouTube channel, I'm showing you guys how to get the fluffy eyebrow look. This has kind of been a trend going on in 2021. I'm not sure if we're carrying it into 2022, but that's kind of how I like my eyebrows right now. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve them, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, step one. In order to achieve this eyebrow look, there's literally only a few things you need for this look, okay? The first thing is a brow setter. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is personally one of my favourite eyebrow gels. I literally use this all the time. Like, even if I'm not wearing makeup, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this in my eyebrows just to keep them up and to keep them in place all day. The next thing you need is an eyebrow pencil. This one is the Makeup Revolution one. Looks like this. I use this pencil in the shade dark brown. After that, you just need a concealer that's a couple shades lighter than you, if you like a highlighted underbrow. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal Define Concealer in the shade C13. And literally the last thing, actually apart from a brush, the second to last thing, I'm using a foundation. And my chosen foundation today is the Anastasia foundation. And I'm using this just to do the top part of my eyebrows. And last but not least, you need an eyebrow brush. My eyebrow brush is a bit dirty. Let's not talk about that. But sometimes I feel like it gives you a more crisp eyebrow because there's a lot of product in there, so it kind of like. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Get into this face. Ugh, this is too close. That's just too close for me. We're going to do this, okay? We can do this. The first thing I do when doing my eyebrows is I go in with my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This is a clear eyebrow gel. I prefer a clear one because they don't change the colour of your eyebrows. They just do what it got to do. Just keep them in place, set them, and don't let them move. That's all I want. So it's kind of like a sticky, watery consistency. I'm struggling to open mine, but this is what it looks like. Like when you take it out, it just looks like this. This is the brush, the kind of brush it is. So you've literally got two sides. Brush my eyebrow hairs up. I want my eyebrows hair to be pushed up and kind of elongated, because you know a lot of the time eyebrow hairs are brushed down. I want them to be brushed up. Okay, so that's literally what they look like once I've brushed them up. Can you see the difference? One. There's a big difference. If I feel like I might need to go in again and brush it up, I'll do it again with a bit more pressure, just to kind of make sure that I get those stubborn hairs up. I'm gonna do it again. I definitely think I lost the eyebrow hair in the middle of my eyebrow because it wasn't that sparse there, but you know. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same to the other eyebrow. So then I just wait a few minutes for my eyebrows to dry, and then I just take like a spoolie. This is the spoolie at the other end of my eyebrow pencil, and once the eyebrow gel has dried into my eyebrows, I kind of like brush the excess hairs that I've gone too far up down, so I kind of smooth it into like a sharper line at the top. So I always start from the side. So I start here and I just do this, and that just, can you see, it already gives you like a sharp line at the ending. And then I just do the same at the top. Then the next thing I'll go is go in with my eyebrow pencil. This is one of my favourite eyebrow pencils, the Revolution brow pencil. It's literally £3 in Superdrug, online, whatever. It's literally £3 in Superdrug, online, whatever. I feel like it's one of my favourites. It's so soft. Like, I don't need to press too hard onto my skin to get it to show up. It's very pigmented, so I literally use the light strokes when I use this because I kind of don't like a too defined brow. Kind of, I want it to look a bit fluffy. I want it to look a bit more natural, not too like boxy. So I do like this pencil. Another one I do use is a Benefit pencil. So if I'm not using this one, I'm using the Benefit one. And if you see me using any other one, it's because those are finished. And that's honestly the truth. Okay, so now I'll go in with the pencil. This is what it looks like on the other side. Basically, it says looks like that. But whenever I do my eyebrows, I never let it get that high up because you don't want the pencil to break for no reason. So you just bring it down and just let it have a little bit out, just like that. I create hairline strokes on my eyebrows to make it look like it's hairs that have already been there, but technically they're not there. That's why I'm putting them there. So I literally angle my brush like this, maybe I need a bit more up, and then I literally look to the side, especially for the side part. If I'm doing the side, I look to the side. I can see where I want my eyebrow to end because it's been shaped there. So then I just go in and create hairline flux in that motion. Okay. So it looks like this. And that's basically my eyebrow done. Because I have this large gap in the middle, I'm going to do the middle because I don't understand why it's there. I don't know where it came from. And that's what my brows look like. And then as soon as I've done that, I literally just go in with the spoolie side and brush it in. You don't want to brush it in too hard because my eyebrows are already kind of hard and stuck in place because of the eyebrow gel. So I just kind of use it to blend it together, and when you do this, it kind of smooths out the product that's too harsh. It can make it look a lot lighter and a lot softer. So yeah, this is one eyebrow done. Now the bottom looks a lot more fuller. And I'll move up to the top. And that's basically what this one looks like as well. And in case I've gone in too much, I'll go in the spoolie and brush it out. And then just to keep the shape, I always go back and, you know, curve it back around. And that is basically my eyebrows done. So now I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to use a concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than me. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. So I just put a little bit of that at the back of my hand. And I go in with a curved brush like this. I don't know, I just like these brushes. I feel like it just, I don't know, I just like them. And then I flatten it out on my hand and I kind of just press it. And it makes it a lot more thinner like that. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a lot thinner and flatter. These brushes are really cheap, guys. These are like, I bought a pack of 3 for like £2, I think. I bought it from Amazon. If you guys want the link for these, let me know. I'll put them down below. And then I just kind of like doing this basically. I look to the side because this is where I'm doing the curved side. And then I just kind of follow the natural line that is there. So I like to create a straight line going down first, and then I like to kind of fill it in as I'm going, just to see what it looks like. And that's kind of like the line right now for here, and that's that. And then I go into the arch. Down. Be aware the concealer I'm using literally dries down 0.2 seconds, so I kind of do have to work a little bit fast with this. And then I'm going to go to the front section and do a line connecting to the rest. I'll just do a straight line down. Get some more product. And when I use the brush, especially at the top, I kind of angle it like this on my brows, so I can create a line. And then when I want to like smooth it and add more product, I can then flatten it to just make it go to a larger surface. I'm going to do the front. I'm going to change it around again. Okay. And that is basically what my brow looks like. Okay, now this eyebrow is done. I'm gonna try and match this eyebrow to this eyebrow. The one thing you guys need to know is that eyebrows are not twins. They are sisters. So They're not going to be exactly the same, but the aim is to make them look similar and not too different to the point where you look a bit. So I'm going to do the same and literally just start by that tail. So sometimes for me, what makes it easier for me to see where I'm trying to put the concealer or just know the shape of it, I kind of raise my eyebrows a little bit just to kind of see, stretch out and see the hairs and see where it needs to be. So in this case you would see me raise it a little bit, especially with this eyebrow. I don't know, it just helps. Okay, that's kind of like the basis of when I did eyebrow, and then I go in and kind of clean it and make sure everything is like in the same line. And then I just go in with this brush and just kind of like tap it in. Okay guys, so this is basically what my eyebrow looks like with my face kind of done. They still look really fluffy, and just look at them like, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.